welcome to Meet the Met. We're here to celebrate the opening of the newest section of the Metropolitan Branch Trail.
You come around 4th Street in a car, and all of a sudden you see 5 or 6 bike people just shoom, shoom, shoom on the trail.
So I was like, they built a trail. I can bring out my bike. It's exciting. I'm really excited. I like it.
When I'm on my bike, it feels amazing because when you're riding, the wind is in your face and you get a breeze so that can keep you going.
Well, the Metropolitan Branch Trail is a perfect example of what an urban pathway is. Urban pathways are all about bringing trails closer to population, closer to the people that we want to use them. And in this case, the Met Branch Trail runs right through the heart of the Washington, D.C. It connects with key neighborhoods all the way through the city that have been here for, in some cases, over 100 years.
It's really opened up the community to the larger Washington, D.C. without fear of running into cars or being hurt, you know, that kind of thing.
It's nice to see a lot of the neighborhoods that you don't see, and it's nice to have that separated bike path that's there for you to ride on.
I see this as hooking up the city. And so when I see that a part of the city that was not a part of the trail now is a part of the trail, I see connectedness in our city just as much as I do on metro stops.
They're seeing that it's not really a bad area, it's just been cut off from the rest of the world. And when we tie things between metros and train tracks and everything else in between, freeways, we're really just cutting off our people.
If you have a trail in your community, suddenly you have another gathering place. You know, strangers suddenly become friends because you see each other out on the trail and you're biking and you're walking and you're connecting. I mean, that's what this is about. It's about connecting healthier places to healthier people.
The underserved populations that live along the Met Branch and other urban pathways projects we're working on across the country, in many cases have experienced a disproportionate effect of the obesity crisis, of sedentary lifestyles, and these trails are one opportunity for folks living close to the trail to use it on a regular basis to get healthy.
As a primary care physician, I will be referring my patients with very specific exercise prescriptions on the Met Branch Trail. At Kaiser Permanente, we are really all about changing the built environment around us, making changes in our communities that are significant not only for our membership, but for the communities in which we serve and live.
When we think of health, we think of personal health, and that's absolutely true. People are getting out on the trail and they're exercising more, they're just incorporating exercise into their daily life or just walking in their daily life, and that's great. But it's also about public health. It's about the health of an entire community and how the entire community is raising itself up by having more opportunities to get outside.
I ain't been on a bike in years, but I know I need that exercise. You see me sweating.
4, 8, 7. Do I have a winner? Okay.
We find that if you invest in making it safe and convenient for people to bicycle and walk to get where they're going, that they take advantage. People want that choice.
We picked up a map today, so looking forward to hitting a lot of the trails on the map.
Yeah. It's my house across the street, so I probably ride up and down the trails and stuff.
You know, we live walking distance from the trail, and I just get up in the morning, hey, walk down to Union Station, back to Brooklyn, yeah. We'll take advantage of it. Just in our neighborhood. We love it. It's beautiful.
The Metro Branch Trail is a lifeline in this community because it takes rich, poor, middle class, fuses them together, allows them to walk and ride up and down the trail, and sometimes interact with each other's lives.
If you have this kind of access in your community, it can only improve your quality of life because you're getting out there and you're enjoying the world.